Next we put the camera and Cortex Pi Pro into the waterproof box. First we put the camera power supply module into the camera. Open the battery compartment. Put the power supply module in. Fasten the battery compartment. Connect the shutter release to the camera. Attach the quick release plate to the camera. Lock with a coin. Open the waterproof box. Put the camera in. Locking buckle. Organize the wire. Connect the shutter cable with Cortex Pi Pro. Connect the camera power supply module with Cortex Pi Pro. Put the battery in the waterproof box. With Cortex Pi Pro. Put the Cortex Pi Pro in the waterproof box. Connect the battery charger to the solar interface. Micro USB cable to the camera. Micro USB link with Cortex Pi Pro.